sending of documents. Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Antel Grand Village office. And meron pong bumili sa atin ng property via online. And ngayon po i-send naman natin yung documents niya, no, sa Singapore. Alright, so bago tayo makapasok dito sa Antel Grand Village, so to it we have face mask and face shield. I have the face shield para po pasok tayo doon sa protocol. Alright, so sisend natin yung documents, no? And thank you for the trust. And this is our office. And today is January 11, 2021. And isisend natin, no, sa Singapore ito pong ating documents. At ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung ano-ano po yung mga legal documents na isisend natin sa ating clients abroad. Alright, dito po sa Antel Grand Village, meron po tayong automatic po dito, no, para sa ating and iscan po tayo guys sa ating palm. Pakita po natin yung ating, alright guys, okay, push natin. And welcome back to Antel. So welcome to Antel Grand Village. And check natin yung ating documents now for sending po today. So bumili po ito ng property sa atin dito po sa Antel Anyana Tansa Bel Air Central. Alright guys, ito yung documents na isasend natin is ito yung name ng developer natin, which is Antel Tansa Inc. And this is contract to sell. Okay, dito po sa contract to sell, so ilang set po ito? 1, 2, 3. This is madaming set, no? So 5 set. And then may nakalagay din dito po na please sign here. Please sign here. So actually po guys, naka-process naman po si Antel. So leave lang natin yung information because this is for our client, but this is contract to sell. And of course, kasama din po sa atin yung ating SARB form kung saan, kung aware po ba yung ating client, no, doon sa kanilang binili na property. And this is the location map, the SARB form. The other one is the counseling form. And this counseling form, very important po ito because dito po naka-specify kung the reservation fee is for what, and the down payment is for what, and then the balance is for what, and then the application for the bank is for what, then payment procedures. This is the very important thing para mabasa po to ng clients natin, for them to aware hanggang po sa occupancy from the miscellaneous fees, delinquent payments, nandito din po nakalagay, and also for the grounds for cancellation and forfeiture. So this must be very important to and then also for their attorney in fact, and also for the house construction. This is very important, no? House construction. Then after construction is the turnover, occupancy, the improvements, taxes, contract and documents, and then homeowners membership. This is very important, no? The maintenance fee is 3 pesos per square meter. So once the time na hindi pa po available yung ating homeowners association, pero by the time mayroon na po tayong homeowners association, ito po ang amount, no, yung maximum natin will be 10 pesos po per square meter po. So not necessarily kung malaki yung bahay mo, but the maintenance fees natin is for the laki ng inyong lote. And also it's stated here that check emails of clearing and SIS, because this is very important to those installment buyers. They need to submit post-dated checks, and this is the format po. And aside from that, the Philippine Clearing House, and these ones also the documents that are going to send. And this is the specs of the house that they purchased, so New York specification. And then from the roofings, the finishes, the floor tiles, the ceiling, the kitchen countertop, stair, doors, windows, and this is the orientation of the house. Mamimili po sila kung saan po. This documents is very important. This dalawang set po ito ng documents, isang sa client and isa sa ibabalik nila po sa office. Alright, no, isa-send naman natin yung documents, no, later on via courier, no. LBC po yung ating gagamitin. And of course, this is the computation sheet. So leave lang natin yung pangalan no ng client natin para for the privacy. But this is the legal process po ng purchasing of property dito sa Antal Grand Village. And also we indicate the BIR form. This BIR form po is to verify their TIN number. So this is the form that they need to sign up and to put their signatures. And this is the reservation agreement form. And then this reservation agreement form is very important because pag ipinasok natin sa bank financing po sa mga bangko, ito yung requirements ng bank para po sa processing ng bank loan, the reservation agreement form. And dahil 4 na set po ito, so because ang binili po nila is house and lot. And also they have also the schedule of payments. Schedule of payments po is very important para matrace po nila at ma-aware po sila kung ano po yung kung ano pong date no yung kanilang start ng monthly amortization. So this one is for the lot and this one is for the house. Alright, so because dahil tayo po ang nag-receive ng documents, ayan po kailangan po natin may receiving copy. Alright, so na-sign up po natin yung documents natin po dito sa Antel. Ako yung documents po ito ng client. At isasend natin ito via courier dito po sa LPC. And thank you for the trust. And mamaya shoot natin kung saan naman po tayo magpupulog ng documents. Alright, and also guys, dahil ang binili po ng client natin is house and lot, so kasama din po sa isasend natin is the construction contract. So this is sample of construction contract. So leave lang natin yung ng buyer. Ayan po siya guys. So, dala na natin yung documents and hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for that trust and punta na tayo ng LBC. So, labas na po tayo, then going na po tayo ng LBC guys na. So, send natin yung documents via LBC and rush po ito and kaya po ito ng going, this documents po is lilipat going to Singapore. Alright, so para dun sa aking clients no, sa trust, thank you so much. And of course, actually po nag-send po siya ng kanyang SPA which is yung kanya pong kapatid no, tinignan namin yung property dito po sa yung New York no, yung kanilang building New York dito po sa Anyana, Antal, Tansa. Alright guys, so magdadrive na tayo na papunta ng bayan ng Noveleta for the courier nitong documents sa ating client. Okay, so takbo na po tayo, no? So takbo na po tayo na sasend na po natin yung ating documents. Tama ko ngayon yung aming presidente ng Pilipinas, si Ma'am Ong. Alright guys, so papunta na po tayo ng bayan. So one thing I learned, no, as a real estate part of this developer, yung pagiging concern mo sa client. And of course, hindi lang doon, naging family mo na rin sila, no? Extended family mo na rin yung mga clients mo. Kasi ang binili nilang property is lifetime investment for their future and for their investment. Na later on, pwede rin nilang ipamana sa kanilang mga anak, sa kanilang mga apo. So, that's why we are doing this as legal and very diligent. And of course, no, yung pagiging reliable sa lahat ng ating ginagawa. And shoot natin kung malapit na po tayo sa LBC. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa LBC. So sulatan na natin na from and to. Documents mo na. So ready na natin i-send yung documents na to, no? Dalawang set of documents sa Singapore. And ma'am, sorry, malapit na po siyang isa-isa. Thank you so much. Yung rates nila po guys, kung gusto mo padala ng documents, ito po yung rates. Tinanggap na pala sir yung aking package.